Morning students. Last class you have learned what is environment, pollution, pollutant, polluters. Today you are going to study about air pollution and what are the steps taken to control air pollution. Let us move on air pollution. Dear students, as you know, air is present all around us. Our environment has a fine balance of various gases. It mainly contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapors. Oxygen is one of the main components of it. All the living organisms require oxygen to breathe either on land or in water. But due to the excessive use of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum, air pollution is increasing. Here, you have to know about polluting gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and other particulate matter are released as byproducts of burning fossil fuels. These gases are very harmful to our health. Actually, these gases can cause health problems like asthma, cough, and irritation of the eyes and skin. As you know, trees are the natural purifiers provided by our environment. Trees take in carbon dioxide and release fresh oxygen into the environment. But excessive deforestation has hampered the process of purification of air in a dangerous manner. Here, you need to understand what is deforestation. Forests and trees are cut down to clear land for growing crops, making new buildings, etc. Actually, people do various activities that make the surroundings air impure. As you have learned about ozone layer is one of the layer of the stratosphere, the second layer of the Earth atmosphere. Ozone layer is an important factor in stopping the harmful rays of the sun to reach the earth, which can cause many harmful diseases, skin problems, and even cancer. It is depleting very fast due to the overuse of chlorofluorocarbons and many other pollutant gases. Here, you have to know about what is chlorofluorocarbons. It is one of the gases. Actually, this gas is used in refrigerator and air conditioner. This gas is not good for our environment. This gas makes hole in our ozone layer. Due to the overuse of chlorofluorocarbons and many other pollutant gases, big holes in the ozone layer have been observed by the scientists. Is it clear, students? Let us move on next. What are the steps taken to control air pollution? People do various activities that make the surrounding air impure. Breathing impure air is harmful to our body. It can make us sick. Here, who is polluters? People are the polluters. Here are some steps that can help to reduce air pollution. First one, dependency on burning fossil fuels should be reduced. Second one, vehicular pollution should be controlled by using cleaner fuels like CNG. Here, what is CNG? Compressed natural gas. All vehicles should be checked to ensure that they are pollution safe. Fuels like CNG to run vehicles are less harmful for the air. In Delhi, many vehicles run on CNG. More and more trees should be planted. It is important not to cut down forests or trees. It is also important to plant more trees. This will ensure that the oxygen supply is maintained in the air. Last one, burning of plastic waste should be strictly avoided because it leads to the emission of poisonous gases. Dear students, never use polythene bags. Carry your own cloth or jute shopping bags. Today we covered air pollution and what are the steps taken to control air pollution. Hope you all understood. That's all for today class. Thank you.